In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Customer statements are a critical part of managing your business finances. They provide a clear summary of transactions, outstanding balances, and payment details for your customers. Whether you're looking to send reminders for overdue payments or simply keep your customers informed, QuickBooks Online makes the process simple and efficient. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a link in the description to sign up and get started with this powerful accounting tool. Now let's walk through the step-by-step process to create and send customer statements. First, start by navigating to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once you're there, look at the top left corner and click on the button labeled New. This will open a menu filled with options for common transactions. From this list, select Statement. Next, you'll need to choose the type of statement you want to create. QuickBooks offers three options: Balance Forward, Open Item, or Transaction Summary. Balance Forward shows the total amount carried over from previous periods. Open Item lists unpaid invoices individually, and Transaction Summary provides a detailed breakdown of all activity within the selected period. Pick the one that works best for your needs. After selecting the statement type, it's time to define the date range. Set the start and end dates for the transactions you want to include. You'll also need to specify the as of date, which determines the cutoff point for balances and activity on the statement. Be sure to double-check these dates to ensure accuracy. Now you'll choose which customers should receive the statement. QuickBooks gives you three options here. You can send statements to all customers, only to those with outstanding balances, or to specific customers of your choice. If you're targeting a particular group, you can use the search or filter features to make your selection faster. Before finalizing, it's always a good idea to review customer contact details. This ensures that your statements are sent to the correct email addresses or mailing addresses. Taking a moment to verify this information can save you from having to resend statements later on. If you want to give your customers more context, you can include aging columns in the statement. These columns show how long balances have been outstanding, broken down into time periods such as 30, 60, or 90 days. This feature can help both you and your customers stay on top of overdue payments at a glance. You also have the option to add a short message to the statement. This could be a friendly reminder about payment options, specific due dates, or anything else you'd like to communicate. Keep it clear and professional to maintain a positive relationship with your customers. Once everything is set up, take advantage of the preview feature. This lets you see exactly how the statement will look before sending it out. Check the formatting, review the totals, and make sure all the details are correct. This step is crucial to ensure your statement is polished and error-free. When you're satisfied with the statement, click Save. This locks in all the details you've entered so they're ready to go. Finally, you can decide how to send the statement. If you're ready to email it immediately, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will handle the rest. Alternatively, you can choose to save the statement now and send or print it later, depending on your preference. And that's it. You've successfully created and prepared a customer statement in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.